how to calibrate the Bambu Lab P2S printer. So let's press the LCD screen to wake our printer up. Then on the left hand side press this little cog. Then we want calibrate here. And now I have two options to calibrate: print calibration and live view camera calibration. First let's go to print calibration, and we have many different things to choose from here. You can select multiple or single. It's entirely up to you, and once you've selected what you want to calibrate, just press start in the top right hand corner once you've selected whatever you want to calibrate. It does tell you a little bit about what you're calibrating for each one. Then we can go back and we can have a look at the live view camera calibration, and this tells you what this does, and again runs it through, and then all you need to do is press start. So that's how easy it is to calibrate your Bambu Lab P2S. If you found this video helpful, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.